Hi, I'm Professor Keith Hubbard, and I'd like to talk to you about how to succeed in a college math class. Just 6 quick tips, okay? First, to study, you need a time, a place, and a plan. If you say, "Oh, I'm going to study for that exam on all Saturday, just for 8 hours straight," that's not nearly as successful, not as nearly as good a use of your time as saying, "Okay, at 9 a.m., I'm going to be in the library. I'm going to study section 1.2 for 30 minutes, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to work these practice problems." Be specific. Two, you need to expect it to make sense eventually. Remember, nothing ever made sense immediately to start with. You weren't born knowing how to walk, knowing how to talk, or knowing how to do mathematics. It makes sense incrementally as you learn. Third, you need to do every piece of homework. Don't start sliding early on in the semester. If you miss part of a homework the second week, the third week's going to be worse. Do every piece of homework and don't wait till the exam. Do it as close to the time you talk about it in class as possible. Third, keep those pieces of homework, keep those quizzes so they'll help you study for the exam. Fifth, ask for help, but do it in the right way. You need to attempt the problem beforehand, before you go to the ARC, before you go to your professor. Attempt the problem and go 2 days before the exam. You could go 2 days after the exam and ask about that kind of problem. One will get you a ton more credit on the exam. And finally, learn from your quizzes and your exams. If you're confused before quiz one about the format, hopefully quiz two will be better. If you struggle on exam one, figure out how to do better on exam two. I hope that really helps.